I agree to bros. Let me touch that guy so. Yes, I don't feel agree to that other one. So yes, that one swallow. I agree to bros. Mama, and my guy Pablo. Now I say man come, may you give me food, go give him. Which food dey?
We get eba, fufu, and amala.
Oh, you get the foods and you just put one crate. Which soup dey?
Okra soup, ewedu, and
You
egusi.
dey like the mix, you just mix everything.
Which meat I should put?
You get the sharks and run.
What is shark?
Normal sharking and run about now.
Okay.
Yeah. You get the bombs.
I don't know what is pumps.
Normal bomb now. So you go just pack everything for me, make I go give am.
Okay, pay me money if I will give it.
Me? And my guy Pablo, now say man come o. May you give me food, go give am o. Pablo come pay you money. This baby seller. Why you wait? I dey come and go tell Pablo. Say, I think say you go tell me say man no call.
Yeah! Hold up. Wait a minute.
Don't touch my bag.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Don't pick it.
Yeah!
You are blocking the road.
Yeah! Yeah!
Stop looking at me, you pervert.
Yeah! Yeah! Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, the misery.
Do it for me.
Do what?
Like, let me just know you more. I just want to get to know you more.
If you want to know me, we'll sit down and talk.
No, not that type of no. Like, I want to know the inside of you carefully. Like, yeah, I want to get to reveal myself to you, and then you reveal yourself to me.
I don't understand.
Baby, please. See, you know me.
Oh, God.
You have known me for a while now. You know my kind of person.
Okay.
You know what I can do and what I cannot do. Like, you have known me for a long time. You know that.
But we met today.
I know, but it's one day that they used to know somebody. See, okay, this is my phone. Take.
For what?
Take my phone. Just hold it.
For what?
Just hold it. Just to let you know that I will not run from you. Call anybody that you want to call. Ask the kind of person that I am. Please. Let me just let me just sleep with you. Like, not like sleep. Like, let me just get to meet you a little more.
Take your phone. Take your phone.
Okay. Tell me, do you trust me?
Trust. I don't think so.
Okay, insult me. I give you permission. Insult me.
I don't understand.
Please, if you know that you trust me, just insult me. Call me any name that you like.
No.
Please, I'm begging you.
No.
I'm begging you. Please, baby, please. Call me a fool. Just call me a fool.
Fool.
Thank you very much. You see, I did not get angry. Baby, please, just let me just get to meet. Please.
Let's go and sit down outside and talk.
There's no way my life can. I use your father and beg you. Baba, how far?
No, man.
Why no hear any sound though?
No. I have put up for vibration.
Which one be that one?
That one is silent. No, man. You don't go hear anything about things.
No more.
Ask everybody now.
I know say you don't finish the game.
I got a lie for you again. I want the thing where we say,
David, I want to start going. David.
Baba, this one where the girl pass, you no follow her talk. Hope no problem, oh.
Black say I go need more than milk.
Tina, I did not come. Belle come. How come? Who come? I been a source of income.
God have mercy upon us.
Not be me come. Oh.
It is smoky book.
Can't tell me this. I been a commando.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Come out.
Egman,
The law.
this place is foul. Jesus.
Where's me? And the law is just like I was telling you on the phone. There's this girl that I met online, and we agreed that she's going to come and visit. So she said I should send her money for transport. But the law, I gave her the transport money. She did not come. And now I want my money back. I want to swear because I want my money back.
Egman, I think that you are married now. I'm friends with madam. It's okay. So, how much did you send this auntie for transport?
I gave her 100,000 for Uber.
Did you Uber her down from the north?
No, she stays in phase 1, Lekki phase 1.
100K for logistics, Egman. Is that logical? Do you have case file?
No, the law, I don't have case file.
Yeah, no problem. Just give me something for transport. Let me help you go and get it.
The law is the office far.
It's a little bit far.
I have 200 naira here. I don't know if that will be enough. The law, is there a problem?
Egman, you use 100,000 to transport side chick. Lawyer, I want to help your case. You want to give me 200?
The law, you said it's for transport, not to.
Okay,
The law, are you going?
Your wife.
The law, you're leaving.
You are cheating on your wife. You just want to cheat lawyer. It's okay.
The law, wait now.
Hope
The
you
law,
know
okay.
that
The law,
I
wait
know
first.
your wife.
The law, wait
And
first.
I know the address of a side chick.
The law, I have
Stay
1,000.
Okay.
The law, okay, I'll make it 1.5. The law, please wait now. The law.
Now talk say wait for your time. Now still talk say time wait for nobody. Which one we dey wait abi we know dey. Which one we dey do Chineke akpu na? Damn you.
How are you?
Once you have said, it's inside, they follow you play.
Waiting be this.
I'm not the here God. I'm not the here. Your brother want to marry a lady.
Yes, sir.
And two of them, they are staying in Lagos.
Yes, sir.
Their wedding is supposed to be by next month.
You're right, sir.
They never join them. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Then they prepare for the marriage.
Yes, sir.
Tell him to cancel the marriage.
Man of God, God bless you, sir.
Jesus.
Can I prophesy?
Prophesy, sir.
Do you know why I say you should cancel the marriage?
No, sir.
What I saw concerning your brother in Lagos is not good. For some time now, if they call him, they pick call.
Yes, sir.
Do you know why it's not picking call?
No, sir.
The lady don't put him inside armpit.
Papa, help him. Heat will disturb him there.
Okay, they put him there. You say what will happen? Heat. Power. Mama Tony.
My mind no go touch.
Young man,
Yes, sir.
are you hearing what I'm saying?
Hearing, sir.
This your brother was taking care of the family before.
Yes, sir.
Till now, he don't even tell where he pick your call. Now only WhatsApp message,
Yes, sir.
he dey answer you now.
Yes, sir.
And the lady he want to marry is from Ogoja.
Yes, sir.
Oracle of God, God bless you, sir.
I'm also are you there?
I'm there, sir.
Do you know what the lady did?
Talk to me, my father.
He tied her brother.
Get right here, man.
The building project your brother started in the village. He dey build and since when he talk say one marry this lady,
Yes,
he
sir.
no put any money there again.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what happened now? For that girl village, he don't build for a 3-bedroom flat.
Jesus.
Papa, where you dey go now? Come now.
Hey, what's up, BF?
Where's BF?
Normal baby female now. You look so fine.
Thank you, and you look so cute.
Yeah. Is your father the Liz?
Where's the Liz?
Normal lizard now. Because I got my eyes on you. Perfect man. Where you they heading to?
I want to go get something for my brother.
Your brother?
Yes.
Your brother still around here?
Yeah, just down the street.
On this street, you know me.
No.
Down the street here.
Yes. By just the left hand side. Yes.
Okay. It's a brother the Crocs.
I don't know. What is meaning?
Normal crocodile now.
Yes.
You be crocodile sister?
Yes.
Eh? You crocodile sister? I not see you. You feel they go. You dey go.
Why?
You go bill.
Why?
No, I go bill because I know they like all the crocodile sister. All those things they like crocodile sister. Me, I don't like.
That's kid boy. Why? Like why?
I know dark. Yeah, for dark. You don't see me. I bleach. And I'm not fair for your eye. Close your eye, me open. I know see fair. You tell me, I'll run. Oh, you they say, no, they near me. No, they come now.